So there's been a lot of stories in Japan about different kind of vending machines. So today we're going to go to Akihabara, which is one of the most notorious places for otaku. They also are known for having a ton of these unique vending machines. So we're going to go over there and check out, see what kind of fun things we can find in the vending machines. Let's go. All right, we're only at the cookie station. We're about to leave to go to Akebane into the center of Tokyo, and we already found a few, so let's check these out. So these appear to be very typical vending machines. You got the cookies, you got the crackers. These ones are a little more unique. It looks like they are some unique kind of lobster shrimp crackers. What are these ones?
Wasabi.
Wasabi potato chips. Now that's unique. Alright, we just made it to Akihabara Station. This area is really well known for their otaku, which is a bunch of video game machines and gachapon. It's the little toys that you get in the capsules. So we're gonna look around and see what we can find. So the first vending machines we found are traditional. It's only coffees and sodas. So far, nothing exciting. Oh, what do we have here? What is this?
Gachapon for comic.
Hey look, there's us, vlogging on TV. We have been wandering around Akihabara for about an hour and a half, and we haven't found anything except coffee and sodas. We're starting to feel a little out of luck right now, but we're gonna keep looking. We're gonna find something for you guys today.
Let's go this way.
Ah. Kumo.
Table charge.
Arigatou, tabun ato de. Arigatou gozaimasu. Our mission is to find something very, very crazy. What do we got here? What do we have here? Just toys. Taiko, I think we found it.
Yeah.
I think we found some really interesting vending machines. What she said? What is it? Oh my god. There's like coconut milk, there's juice.
And toy and...
There's random boxes in here. What do these random boxes say? And they're all different prices. Can you see that? This is so random.
That don't say inside what, just put some history.
Some history? But what is it? What is the story?
Here like joke. アメリカもめちゃくちゃのトランプ大統領で良くなるね。
What else is there?
You see?
There's a box of jingle bells. There's a box of jingle bells. What the? And toothpaste?
Toothpaste?
And a spider? Holy crap!
And baseball.
There's dog toys.
A candle.
Oh my gosh, this is really cool.
Energy drink. Curry.
Curry in a cup in a vending machine in Akihabara. What about this box down here? This looks like frozen steaks. Emergency food?
Emergency food.
Emergency food? What food do you need in an emergency? There's a muffin in a can. What? This is gnarly. What else? Oh, more mystery stuff. And tea bags. Oh, whoa. Secret alley. Oh, secret alley.
You can go
Here,
in.
hold this. I'm gonna try. I don't know if I can fit. This is
So small.
this is so crazy. Wow.
And I don't know what. Have toy. What is that? Gaban. Oh, sakabon.
A popcorn machine.
あ、見て新幹線あるよ。トイ。新幹
A
線。
mini Shinkansen.
切符。
What is that?
チケット。トレインチケット。
Old train tickets. This looks like somebody's retainer. We totally found some crazy and creepy stuff.
Condom.
Con- Guys, if you want a happy family life, use the high-class condoms. If you don't want a happy family life, if you don't want a family at all, use high-class condoms. I think that goes hand in hand, right? This is so interesting, huh? I gotta buy one of these boxes. I wanna buy one of these mystery boxes. What do you think? Should we do it?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna buy one.
Okay.
Which one though? Pick a number. 17? 17, good. 17's my number. All right, let's do it. I'm so nervous about what this could possibly be. 490 yen. Ah, looks like chocolate. Chocolate? I just spent $5 on a box of chocolate crackers. Oh look, they have an animated character of me. All right, guys, so we just made it back. It's been a long day, very exciting day and very interesting. Actually, found quite a few more things than we...
大丈夫よ。
Daijobu, y'all. Did you say Daijobu, y'all? That's cute. As you can see, we saw some interesting things over there, and we even paid $5 for a box of chocolates. What a waste of money. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up or a little comment in the message box below. And if you haven't yet, definitely hit that subscribe button. Yes! And have a good night. Thank you so much for watching, and go be awesome.
Good night.